These chocolate chip protein cookies have about 15 grams of protein per cookie, no added sugar, and taste just as good, if not better, than your typical chocolate chip cookies, only much healthier for you. Start with a large bowl to mix all of your dry ingredients in. Add 1 cup of oat flour into the bowl. Feel free to use another flour like almond or all-purpose flour if you prefer. Add half a cup of vanilla protein powder. Add 1/4 a cup of a natural calorie-free sweetener. I'm using stevia here. If you want to use maple syrup or honey, you can add that into your wet mixture. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. And finally, add a pinch of salt. Fold everything together and then set the bowl aside for now. Take out another bowl for your wet ingredients now. Crack open and add 1 large egg. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can also use oil like coconut oil instead. Add 1/3 a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Add 1/4 a cup of nut butter into your bowl. You can use peanut butter, almond butter, or any type of nut butter you prefer. And finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Grab back your bowl of dry ingredients and then pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Mix everything together. It'll get thick, but you should be able to mix everything together. If you have any issues with mixing, add a small amount of milk into the mixture. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar-free chocolate chips and then gently fold those into the batter. Cover your bowl with plastic wrap and then let it chill in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then give it a light spray of oil so the cookies won't stick to the paper. Use a large 3 tablespoon cookie scoop to portion the dough into 6 balls on your baking sheet. If you want smaller cookies, use a medium 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop for about 12 cookies. The cooking time will be about a minute or 2 less if you use the medium-sized cookie scoop. Lightly flatten each cookie with the back of the spoon or a cookie scoop until they are in the shape of a cookie. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, ideally closer to 12 to 13 so they don't get too dry. Once they are done baking, remove them from the oven. Let the cookies cool on the pan for at least 10 minutes. This will help them set and give you that soft, chewy texture without falling apart. Then you're ready to enjoy your chocolate chip protein cookies. Store these in an airtight container where they'll last for up to 5 days in the fridge. If you want to make even more large cookies, you can double the ingredient amounts in this recipe. The cooking time will remain the same. If you like this video, be sure to check my other high protein dessert recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.